Hello, everyone. We are excited to introduce our paper, Adversarial Bayesian Augmentation for Single-Source Domain Generalization. We are from the Active Perception Group at Arizona State University. First, let's talk about domain generalization. Typically, we consider source and target domains. In supervised learning settings, we have access to image and labels in both target and source domain. However, in domain generalization settings, we only have access to image and label in source domain, but they are unknown to the target domain. In the single source domain generalization settings, the problem becomes even more challenging. Here we have just one source domain for training, but we need our model to perform well on multiple target domains. For example, in the PAX dataset, photo is a source domain for training, and art, cartoon, and sketch are the target domain for testing. And we need to train the model on the photo domain and transfer it well on the three other domains. Current methods for single source domain generalization often rely on data augmentation. Since only we have one source domain for training, we must use the data augmentation to generate more diverse data. And we use this augmented image to help our classifier generalize well to unseen target domain. And there are two types of data augmentation methods. One is a learning-free methods, and the second is learning-based methods, which involve the adversarial training. In addition, we want to talk about Bayesian neural network, which bring the weight uncertainty into the neural network. Unlike the standard neural network where the weights have exact value, Bayesian neural network assigned weights by a distribution. And there are several sampling methods for the optimization. And in this work, we consider the variational inference. Okay, we know the knowledge about single source domain generalization, data augmentation, and Bayesian neural network. Let's introduce our methods, ABA. ABA combines the strengths of the adversarial learning and Bayesian neural network. It involves two-step optimization. First, we train a Bayesian neural network adversely, and then we optimize the classifier using the classification and consistent loss. And we can see in the left image, when we feed one dog image to the adversarial Bayesian network, we can generate some augmented image. And then we feed both the real and augmented image to train the classifier. And in the result on the right, we can see the effectiveness of our methods. The source domain is a black and white MNIST image, and in the blue region, where the target domain consists of the USPS image in the orange region. And using our methods ABA, we generate augmented image in the red point that closely match the target domain. And here is our algorithm and objective function. We can see there are two parts, the adversarial learning and classifier training. And the objective loss for adversarial learning, we use the ELBL loss. And for the consistent loss in classification, we consider the KL loss. Our experiments are conducted on three types of domain generalizations: scale generalization, subpopulation population generalization, medical image generalizations. And we can see our methods achieve the state-of-art results across the four datasets. We also present the visualization results from the PAX dataset, and we can see that our methods can generate more stylized image. To better understand why our method works well, we examine the feature distribution in the digital dataset. Runcom in the left generates the sample close to the source domain. ALT, which trained the augmentation network adversely, generates the image out of the source distribution only. But our methods, with the help of the Bayesian neural network and adversarial learning, can generate more diverse data, spanning both in domain and out of distribution space. Here are some of the references in these slides. Thank you so much.